Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to boot menu in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to boot menu in Windows 11 from settings. To get started, press Start and click Settings. After that, in the System, select Recovery. Here in Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Confirm by clicking Restart Now. The system will reboot in this mode. Here we are going to click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. In this section, you're going to click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F4 key to use safe mode. You must wait for the system to enter this mode. You can restart the system to enter normal use mode. Chapter 2. How to boot menu in Windows 11 from lock screen. For this method, on the lock screen, tap the power off button. With the Shift key pressed, click Restart. Windows will start in advanced mode. After that, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. Now you are going to click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F4 key to use safe mode. You must wait for the system to access this safe mode. Now you can reboot the system to enter normal mode. Chapter 3. How to boot menu in Windows 11 using System Repair. To begin with, restart the system from the shutdown button. During this process, you must reboot the system 3 times for automatic repair to activate. You can see that this will diagnose the PC. Generally, you will see that the task cannot be performed. You will click on Advanced Options. After this, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and now on Startup Settings. Click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F4 key to enter safe mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. By logging in, you can restart the system to use Windows normally. Chapter 4. How to boot menu in Windows 11 from ISO image. For this case, you must have the Windows ISO image, which you can download from the link that we leave you in the video. When you turn on the device with the ISO connected, you will click Next. After that, click on Repair your computer. Here, click on Troubleshoot and then on Startup Repair and select the system to repair. When the analysis process has finished, click on Advanced Options. Now click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. Click on Restart, and when accessing it again, use the F4 key to enter safe mode. Wait for this safe mode to load. To return to normal mode, you are going to restart the computer. Chapter 5: How to boot menu in Windows 11 from restart. To start, click on the shutdown button, use the Shift key, and click on Restart. This will cause the system to be rebooted into advanced mode. When you access it, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and then on Startup Settings. Click Restart. When the system reboots, use the F4 key to enter safe mode. You will wait for this safe mode to load. Once there, you can use it and then reboot the system to enter normal Windows mode. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.